Hello dear viewers, how are you? Hope your everyone is well. In this tutorial, I wanna show to you Microsoft Excel a magical trick. In your office, your boss give a task. The task is in your Excel sheet have your employees all name. There can be 100 over names. If you look screen Microsoft Excel this name column here, if you go down here have 200 name. Please create this name wise, that means on by on new folder. How to do it? You can do this task few minutes. In this case, you click the first name right side cell and type MD space quotation double quotation and type the first name JAMES and Smith SMITH and again double quotation. Hit the enter button and holding the control key and press A button. This control E shortcut only work 2016 and above version. Now select C3 this cell and press keyboard shortcut together control shift down arrow. Okay, now control C and open notepad and go to your desktop taskbar, this start icon. Here you can see notepad. Click the notepad, these options. Now press Ctrl V, go to the file menu and this save options. Where you create this employee's name wise a new folder. I will create this desktop screen. So I select the desktop, these options and give the file name. I type file name EMP data and dot ask the type dot BAT. Hit the save button. Now close. You can see your desktop screen, this types icon. If I double click this file, then you can see here open every employee name wise new folder. But I don't click here. In this case, I created new folder and name this folder EMP. Okay, and select this file, move to this EMP folder. Now open this EMP folder. Okay, now double click this file and you can see the magic. Okay, now click this file, double click. Wow, you will be seeing the magic. Okay, so dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Also stay with us. Thanks for watching.